Spaghetti jollof. Today we are making spaghetti for 20 persons. I like to add a lot of veggies to my spag. What about you? So today we are using turkey. You may use whatever protein you have available. If it is fish, chicken, cow meat, goat meat, and if it is egg, just boil your eggs and skip this process, okay? As you can already see, I have already added my turkey in my cooking pot. I have added some onions, some scotch bonnet peppers, all blended. I've added some ginger, garlic, seasoning powder, some herbs, and salt. So I'm going to leave the list of ingredients that I added to the turkey in the comments or in the description, okay? While you stir that, let that cook. We're going to parboil some spaghetti. Oh, I almost forgot. You're going to add some water to the turkey and then allow it to cook. In a pot of boiling water, add some salt and some oil. I added some oil so that the spaghetti will not stick together. If you noticed, I didn't break my pasta. It's against Italian law to break your spaghetti. But that's not the reason I didn't break mine. I just don't like to break it most of the time. But if you want to break yours, go ahead. Do whatever you wish. It is your food, okay? Spaghetti is one of the easiest food to cook, if you agree with me. Right? So it has cooked. This is about 80 to 90% cooked. The next thing to do is to sieve the excess water immediately. After that is done, we go back to our turkey to see how well it has cooked. And of course, it's properly cooked. We're going to scoop it out and fry them. Warm hug to humanity watching from Warri Delta State, Nigeria. And Hawa Suleiman watching from Kogi State. Tell me where you're watching from so that I can give you a warm hug on my next video. Like I said, I'm going to fry my turkey. You may decide to grill yours or leave it the way it is, cooked and juicy. I sometimes prefer it cooked and juicy. I fried the turkey slightly. If you notice, it is not evenly brown. Now, there's no reason to this. It is just based on preference. If you prefer very browned turkey, go ahead. Fry it to your taste, okay? We're going to stir fry some veggies. This is basically for garnishing. Here I've used onions. I added oil first, of course. I added onions, blended. I added runner beans, some carrots, green bell pepper, a dash of sweet corn and green peas. And I added some habanero pepper for extra flavor. How did I not capture where I added the seasoning cube and salt to these veggies? Do I blame my camera again? Well, I don't think so. Well, I added a seasoning cube and salt to the veggies, okay? You stir fry and quickly scoop it out. You want that to remain crunchy, so you're not going to cook it for a long time. It's time to make the sauce for the spaghetti. I've added some oil, some blended onions, and some tomato paste. You're going to allow that to fry for a while before you add your fresh tomatoes. And afterwards, you add your fresh pepper. If you have watched up till now, please leave me a like or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you. And share this video if it makes you happy. It will make me happy if you do. So you're going to give this sauce a proper fry. While you allow it to fry, you're going to stir it so that it wouldn't burn. And when it is properly fried, you're going to add some seasoning powder. I added some seasoning cubes and curry powder and some salt to adjust the taste. Don't forget your broth, the juice from your turkey or the protein you used. This is the time to add it. I scooped out some of this sauce because it's a large amount of spaghetti. I mixed it batch by batch to get an even mix. And the veggies, we're going to add them batch by batch as well for even distribution. And your spaghetti is ready. You see, spaghetti is very easy to make. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.